We really appreciate the support that you have given to Crystal Conference Center and the interest that you have, the opportunities many of you have had to be campers or to stay with family or friends at one of the lodges at Crystal Conference Center. And that's part of what we're doing on June the 1st, is to let people in the greater Benzie County area know what's available to them in addition to the opportunities that we have in the summers when we go there. The open house on June 1st goes from 10 until 3 in the afternoon. It's going to have all kinds of things, including kids area and a bounce house, tours of the facilities and the grounds. The highlight will be the lunch pig roast, which costs nothing to the folks that are there, as well as climbing the wall and ropes course and other activities that we have planned. Thanks for your past support and continuing support, and enjoy Crystal this summer.